Now, we're gonna jump now into why do we enjoy so much Climatemaster. Go ahead, Shannon.
Well, Climatemaster is a very good machine. I mean, very quiet, very reliable, easy to access as far as compressor, contactors. As you can see, the components are very easy to get to. As you can see, you have the control board here, control board circuit compressor, reversal valve, very easy to work on. Also the evaporator fan, easy to get to, big cabinet, easy access. Just a very good unit. I mean, high quality, very quiet, just very reliable.
Okay.
6-ton unit.
Yeah, we're looking at a Tranquility 20 6-ton unit, a special order, and as we can all see from the install, it's a beautiful install from top to bottom. And we like to outfit our units with an auxiliary drain pan to avoid any mishaps for the customers. And also, it may not be seen here, we like to install a flow switch to avoid any mishaps. So thank you, Tropic, and thank you, Climatemaster, and thank you guys. All right, thank you.